Shakur Stevenson is widely regarded as one of the most intelligent boxers in modern boxing. His precision, timing, and defensive mastery separate him from other fighters. Today, we explore his boxing journey, career highlights, and what makes him such a strategic threat in the ring. From amateur championship to professional titles, Stevenson's story is one of calculated risks, discipline, and relentless focus. This video features original commentary giving you insight into his unique fighting style and tactical brilliance. Stevenson began his journey in the amateur ranks, quickly standing out for his exceptional ring IQ and movement. He consistently dominated tournaments through calculated combinations and strategic footwork. Unlike many young fighters, he relied on defense and anticipation rather than raw power. Every step in the ring demonstrated intelligence, patience, and timing. His amateur success laid the foundation for his professional career, showcasing his ability to adapt, learn from opponents, and apply tactical adjustments in high-pressure situations. Shakur Stevenson's style is a blend of precision and control. He maintains distance, reads opponents, and exploits openings with surgical accuracy. His jab is a weapon, disrupting rhythm and dictating pace. Offensively, he selects shots carefully, maximizing impact while minimizing risk. Defensively, his head movement, footwork, and counters frustrate opponents. Stevenson's ring control makes him exceptionally difficult to hit cleanly. Every exchange is calculated, reflecting a high-level strategic mind that thrives under pressure. Stevenson's biggest strength is his mental discipline. He rarely overcommits and consistently executes his game plan. His adaptability allows him to adjust mid-fight, exploiting weaknesses while utilizing strength. His timing and anticipation create openings for counters that can decide rounds instantly. Physically, he combines speed, agility, and endurance, enabling him to maintain control throughout the fight. Physiologically, opponents face frustration and doubt, giving Stevenson an edge before power is even factored in. Stevenson uses subtle yet highly effective signature moves. The jab cross combination is precise and interrupts opponents' strategies. He mixes feints, lateral movements, and counter punching to control every round. Body shots are measured and strategic, not just for damage but to manipulate rhythm and fatigue your opponents. His ability to switch angles and maintain unpredictability keeps fighters off balance. These signatures may never define his style, turning each fight into a chess match rather than a brawl, highlighting his analytical mystery in the ring. Throughout his career, Stevenson has faced elite competition and emerged with impressive victories. Each opponent tested his skills, but his defensive awareness and tactical mindset ensured success. He consistently outpoints aggressive fighters, frustrates punchers, and capitalizes on mistakes. These fights reveals his ability to impose strategy, control pace, and adapt mid-fight. Fans and analysts alike praise his intelligence, efficiency, and ability to dominate without unnecessary risk. His record demonstrates a career built on precision and calculated excellence. No fighter is perfect, and Stevenson's cautious style occasionally invites criticism. Some argue he prioritized defense over aggression, limiting knockout potential. Against extremely fast power punchers, he must rely entirely on timing and anticipation, leaving little margin for error. However, these challenges are minor compared to his overall skill set. His adaptability and preparation minimize weaknesses, and his ability to analyze opponents mitigates most risks. Stevenson turns potential vulnerabilities into tactical advantages through execution. As Stevenson prepares for upcoming boards, his strategy will be critical. Facing high-level opponents, he must balance offense and defense carefully. Predicting his moves involves anticipating his footwork combinations and defensive adjustments. Fans should expect calculated aggression, rapid counters, and meticulous round management. Every fight will further showcase his mental acuity, endurance, and adaptability. Upcoming matchups are not just about power, they are a testament to his intelligence, preparation, and ability to outthink opponents consistently. Based on style analysis, Stevenson's probability to victory lies in controlling distance and pace. He is likely to frustrate aggressive opponents, forcing errors for counter opportunities. Predicting a knockout is less realistic than anticipating a dominant point to win. Thanks to his defensive expertise, timing, rhythm, disruption, and strategic movements will define the fight. Stevenson's adaptability ensures that even unexpected tactics from opponents are neutralized efficiently, giving him the highest chance of success in both scoring and endurance throughout the rounds. Shakur Stevenson is redefining modern boxing strategy. His combination of skill, defense, and intelligence elevates the sport's tactical standard beyond wins and titles. His influence is evident to younger boxers adopting analytical styles over reckless aggression. He demonstrates that success comes from preparation, discipline, and tactical brilliance. As his career progresses, Stevenson's legacy will not just be victories but a model of intelligent, calculating boxing, inspiring fighters to focus on strategy, precision, and IQ over raw power. If you enjoyed this in-depth analysis of Shakur Stevenson's style, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Boxing Wallet Pro will continue bringing original creator-driven fight breakdowns, analysis, and predictions. Every video features unique commentary and visual storytelling designed to enhance your understanding of boxing at the highest level. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes where we break down fighters' strategies, coming boards with the same original approach.